Well, you wish you were here right now. This is awesome. It is Indy meets Disney, and we are in our rental car, and we are headed to Anna Marie Island.
Woohoo! Yes, we're going to be staying at the Anna Maria Island beach cottages, and we cannot wait to get there.
Yeah, we are super excited. When we get there, I'm just going to take you guys on a room tour, kind of show you the grounds a little bit, show you how close we are to the beach, and just kind of give you an idea of the area there at Anna Marie Island a little bit, where we'll be staying, give you an idea if it's somewhere you might think about coming in the future. So come along this little journey with us, and let's enjoy Anna Marie Island together. So we are staying at Anna Marie Beach Cottages. So far, this place looks very, very awesome. Super excited to bring you guys along and show you a little tour of the place. So let's get started and check out the grounds. Let's do this. So I wanted to show this map, kind of a layout of the area. So Anna Marie Beach Cottages. So here is where we are right here, 107G. And then right behind us is 109G in this building, and then there's two above us, 107A and then 109A. So we're all in this building. There's some picnic tables over here, some barbecue grills over here, and then there's a couple of larger buildings over here, 109, 107, and then the pool, like I said, is right off our room. Then there's a walkway. Here's the office. Here's 10910 right behind the office. And there's a couple larger buildings over here, 112, 110. And then you just walk over this direction, and then there's the beach access, or you can even walk over this way, and then there's another beach access over here. And then every room has their own parking spot. So like our room is here, and then our parking spot is right over here, 107G. So all these different red spots are the parking spots associated with the room. So that's really nice. And then checkout time here is 10 a.m. So it's a little early, but they do have an option that you can pay to stay a little later. I think it's $10 an hour if they have that available for you. So like if you want to stay till 11, you can pay $10 more to stay till 11 if nobody else is coming into the room. Here's just a quick look at the pool area. We actually did not optimize this or use this when we were here. Due to the time we were here, we were at the beach. This is an option. And this is actually right outside our room. This right here is our room. So I had this nice little porch area with 4 chairs and a table. So we are in 107G, and it was nice because they had this little area to hang your clothes after you got back from the beach. I said along with that little area to sit out here, the tables and chairs. It's nice. Every one of their rooms has this like rinse off shower right outside your door. So when you get back from the beach, you can rinse off. And then over here, I want to show you, they have all of your needs for the beach. So they have chairs available, they have beach toys, like boogie boards, they have umbrellas, these little carts to put all your stuff in to carry it to the beach. So that's really nice. So going inside our room 107, this is kind of what it looks like here. So this is a studio with a king size bed. So it does have a couch in here that pulls out to a bed as well. And it has like a full-size kitchen here, which is really nice. So it has stove, full-size stove, microwave. It's your sink, and then full-size refrigerator. That's nice. Like all of your pans and such are available for you to use in here. They have like all of your plates, like all of your cups are available. It comes with paper towels. There's a grill nearby here in the complex. So they have your grill spatulas. There's a coffee maker if you're a coffee drinker. Toaster. It's like a cutting board. Over here is more cups. So your coffee cups, like your wine glasses if you're a wine drinker. Here are some more cups, coffee filters, some toothpicks. It's like your different cutlery that you would need to prep meals with. All kinds of other utensils over here. It's like measuring cup, grater, placemats, and then they have like this little bar area with a couple bar stools. Actually, our suitcases on it, but there's like a little bar area underneath there. You can see you can push up your tables, your chairs too. There's a recliner in here. There's a little small TV that you can have here at the couch, or it's nice that it swivels over and you can use it in front of the TV. So that's a nice function. It also has a built-in DVD player. Or actually, sorry, DVD player is up underneath here. There's a nice sized closet over here. For you to use. Has a fan there if you'd like it. Vacuum cleaner. Nice about a shelving over here. There's your extra pillows for the couch. There's an ironing board, sheets, cover. There's a hamper because there is a washer and dryer on site as well. And then the bathroom is a nice size. There's me. There's a little medicine cabinet even for you to put your stuff in if you'd like. Hair dryer. Comes with all kinds of different makeup removal things. Soap. There's storage down here. The shower. This room is actually an accessible room, so the shower is nice and big. And there's accessible seating in there. There's a railing for that. The shower is nice. It's the kind with a head and then a wand as well. It came with a set of 3 towels in here, in case you did have a third person staying on the couch or whatever. And they said they would give you more towels if you needed it. Just go up to the front desk. So it was a really nice facility. We enjoyed it. They also did have, I want to point this out, up at the front desk they had all kinds of board games that you could check out and bring to your room. So we picked up a couple, Balderdash and Battle of the Sexes. So really nice. Oh, and they had a whole DVD collection as well that you could check out and bring to your room as well. So really nice setup, and we are literally only probably 2-minute walk or less from the beach, and we'll take you over there and show you that in just a second. So really nice setup in this room. Alright, I just wanted to record from over here in the parking area. So our room is literally that room there. So you just walked through down here. Right here is the parking area. So this is the car we're renting right here, but like I said, each spot is designated, like 110G right here, 110A. So very, very close to our room. And then the pool is like right over there, right off our room. So very close. So this is another look at some of the other rooms right here. So very small area. The office is just right around the corner, right over here. And then get to the pool, or the beach, sorry, you'd walk right down through here. And then right over that way, where Katie is showing you the way, right down this little alley. And it would take you right to the beach area. So we'll head that way. So I'm out on Oak Street now. I'm just looking down this way. And I'm going to zoom in. And then you can see the little ramp down there, and that leads you to the beach. So very, very close. Okay, so here we are on that little ramp I was showing you. It's just a little short walk up this ramp. And there you can already start seeing the beach up here. So just a short little 2-minute walk and you are there at the beautiful beach. I don't know if it's the case all the time. The few times we've been over here to the beach, it's been very quiet, not very busy in this area. And here we are. Now this section over here, there's not any lifeguards and there's not any restrooms right here. So if you did need to go to the restroom, you'd have to walk back over the couple minutes to your cottage to use the restroom. But here we are. Look how beautiful that is. Alright, so that's going to wrap up our adventure at Anna Marie Island. What a wonderful time we've had here.
It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's been a perfect place to stay. Yep.
So I have enjoyed it so much. I can't wait until we can come back again. It's definitely a place I want to return. Yeah. The beach cottages have been fantastic as well. Mm-hmm. Definitely a place I would come back again. I love the close proximity to the beach. The things they provided for you to take to the beach were fantastic. Just the coziness of the place was nice. The price was great that we paid for it. I think we paid like $150, which is great to be that close to the beach and pay $150. It was just an all-around great experience. The island is nice. There's a lot of great restaurants here. It does get really busy, so especially this time of year. We're here in July.
Yeah. And at sunset, it gets the busiest. People just want to be on the beach, eating dinner, watching the sunset. So.
Yeah. So be prepared to wait at some of the restaurants if you're here, especially this busy time of year. But other than that, it's been a really great experience. Like I said, I definitely would come back again.
Mm-hmm, for sure. We'd come back in a heartbeat.
Yeah. I definitely encourage anybody, if you're looking for a great place to come to the beach, this is definitely a great experience if you're in Florida to come to the beach. We love the Gulf side. The sand seems to be a lot cleaner over here, a lot prettier, not as rough on your feet. So this is just a great place to come.
Yeah, and it shows beautiful sunsets. That's one of my favorite parts of being on the Gulf side. It's just seeing the beautiful, beautiful sunsets right over the water. So, yeah.
So I think we'll wrap this video up now.
Yeah, so thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications when we release new videos each week, 3 times each week, and hit that like button. And until next time, we will
see you real soon. Bye, guys.